Just last week we were in the showroom and we saw that we are fitting the towers. As you can see today, we've already fitted in the towers and we put a protective layer so that we can avoid the marble from getting any scratches and any damages. So let's go and have a look about the progress. Let's go. As you can see, we're in day one building, and this week we're going to focus on three things. The first thing is the marble staircase, as well as we're putting the water jet at the reception. Then lastly, we're going to focus on the marble bathroom towel. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our video. We'll keep you updated about day one building. Remember to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs like, and leave a comment on the comment section. Bye-bye.